Now, for the first time since coronavirus restrictions were eased, the city wants to reverse course in some neighborhoods.
Alarming infection rates mean non-essential businesses and all public and private schools could be shut down later this week. CBS 2's John Diaz joins us live from one of the virus hotspots in Graves and Brooklyn. John.
Yeah, good morning to both of you. And for months now, experts have been warning about a possible second wave, and many people now fearing that these zip codes could be heading in that direction. So now both the city and state stepping in to make sure that doesn't happen. This morning starts the beginning of increased COVID compliance. New York State targeting enforcement on businesses and places of worship in 9 New York City zip codes where COVID-19 rates have continued to rise.
New enforcement across the board. A Catholic church, a mosque, a temple, all have the same state rules and guidelines.
The new effort will be similar to what the state liquor authority has been doing with bars and restaurants. This comes after Governor Cuomo said on Friday he'd enforce part of a health law that allows him to fine the city $10,000 for failing to step up public compliance.
In some parts of our city, in Brooklyn and Queens, we're having an extraordinary problem, something we haven't seen since the spring.
Handing out thousands of masks didn't work, so pending the governor's approval, the mayor is calling for a neighborhood rewind starting Wednesday, closing non-essential businesses in 9 zip codes where the positive test rate has remained over 3% the last 7 days. It includes Borough Park, Gravesend, Homecrest, Midwood, Bensonhurst, Mapleton, Flatlands, Midwood, Edgemere, Far Rockaway, Garrettson Beach, Homecrest, Sheepshead Bay, Kew Gardens Hills, Pomanac, and Kew Gardens.
So I definitely agree with the mayor's decision to shut down. There's no social distancing going on in stores.
Yes, mayor should lock it down.
Okay.
And put a curfew.
The mayor's plan will also mean restaurants in those 9 zip codes will have to scrap outdoor dining and go back to only offering delivery and takeout. This Gravesend restaurant, packed Sunday night, would be affected.
It's going to be tough. We did everything that we could for, the precautions, 6 feet apart, plexiglass on the windows, cleaning once everybody gets up.
Any message for the mayor?
Just think about us. Think about us before you make a decision.
And there are 11 other zip codes where the mayor is shutting down high-risk activities like indoor dining and gyms. For that list, you can head over to cbsnewyork.com. But for now, we are live this morning from Graves and Brooklyn. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
All right, John, thanks very much.